What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do my best to be as quick and as efficient as possible. I'm going to show you how to replace some hood shocks. Alright, so that's the hood shock right here. This is worn out. Most of the time they have a little slot right here. Try to push down on it to get some leverage, right? And get open it up, and then you just screwdriver here, pull it out, and pull it out on the other side if you can. Alright, once they are both out, you can simply just pull on this and it comes right off. Same thing with the top. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and see if I can get enough light in here. Push down on this, or just try to jam a screwdriver in there just enough to get it loose and pull it out just like that. Bam. Let's go ahead and get the new part, which they're right here. Shocks. The procedure is going to be fairly simple. It should just go on there. I'm going to do some YouTube magic and unwrap it real quick. Just hold on. Alright, here we have it. To put it on, it should be a matter of just clicking it into place. Oh, you can go ahead and clean that off and re-grease it, but for video's sake, I'm just going to do this real fast. You slide it, click it, slide it down here, click it, voila. That's how you change the shocks. Same thing goes for the hood or the trunk. Same thing. I'm not going to bother you with the other side because I just did this one, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you stuck around, that's how you change the hood shocks on your car. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Follow for more.